Hey, Paul Lawrence here, Global Solutions Architect at Expel. Today I'm going to walk you through the onboarding process as if I were a customer in the Expel Workbench platform. So we put a lot of time and effort into making the onboarding process as easy to self-service as possible. And a lot of times customers don't believe or prospects don't believe how easy it is to onboard themselves within even a day. So instead of talking about it, I figured we'd be about it and I'd show you what it looks like to actually go through that process of onboarding 3 different attack services. So we'll go through AWS from the cloud infrastructure side. We'll then jump into CrowdStrike from the EDR side, and then we'll do Office 365 from the SaaS application side. So I have a little stopwatch down here that's going to be running during the entirety of me going through the different onboarding processes. This might get sped up, but it will always be in view so you can actually see me working live here. So no pressure. I'm going to jump in and hit start, move this down to the bottom, and get working on those integrations. So first I'm going to jump into the CloudTrail, walk through a quick radio button wizard to use CloudFormation. Need to grab my account ID here. Might need to blur that out. No one steals it. All right, now we have our stack that's created. So I am going to go down and acknowledge this and let this rip in the background. And while that's running, jump back over to add another security device. So that's going to take a little bit of time, so I might as well onboard something else here. Give it a quick name, location. And then what I'm going to do is jump into the CrowdStrike console and go through the process of cutting those API keys based on the signal that we need to do our work here. So I need alerts, detections, host incidents. Maybe give it a name. All right, easy enough. I have my client ID. Gonna throw that in here. Gonna want that blurred out as well as the client secret here. And then let this one rip. We'll do console access later. Done. Okay, this one's healthy already. CloudTrail is still working in the back end. Let's take a look. Yep, still in process. So let's jump over to the Office 365 integration, get SaaS apps up and running. So another wizard that we can walk through, going to consent to our Expel application. That all looks good. Next thing I need is my tenant ID, which I will grab here. Go through the wizard, hitting next a couple times, and then finish this one off. That is healthy as well. Let's check back on our CloudTrail. Everything's looking good so far. So stack is created and healthy on the CloudTrail side. So we're 3 minutes in. Now we're just waiting for this device to go healthy on its own. Yeah, since we're at 4 minutes and we're making really good time waiting for CloudTrail to go healthy, I figured maybe it makes sense to show that this isn't just a, hey, it's saying it's healthy, we have a connection to the product. Let's produce a little signal in one of those products and make sure that we have ingestion into the platform. So let's see how fast we can get maybe some malicious activity to show up. Oh, well, great. Now it's healthy, and it kind of ruined my whole plan there. But anyway, I'll still do it because why not? We still have time. So I'll jump into a little remote desktop session I have. And I'll open up PowerShell. I should have some sketchy PowerShell I can run real quick. So I think we hit like 5 minutes and had those 3 different attack services onboarded. So now I'm just doing some nefarious activity as one does. Yeah, it usually takes around a minute to come in. We got one in here right now for Lowen Industries. All right, so we have signal coming in from one of our integrated technologies. All of this happened, in under 7 minutes, even the ingestion back into the platform. Think of this as I have onboarded my attack services and Expel is already monitoring the signal that's coming from them. It's not just, hey, let's get some type of healthy connection. It's let's start doing the work that we have been commissioned to do for our customers.